SEMA's a big thing for us. This year, we went all in with a Toyota Tundra 2024 1794 edition that will be displayed with Toyota. We're calling this one CampZilla. This is a over-the-top Tundra build, so quite a few vendors, manufacturers wanted to be a part of this.
We've worked with all the partners that we've worked with for years. Camburg suspension, so it's got a full long travel suspension on it, first of its kind. Fox coilover race shocks, front and rear. We got fiberglass bedsides, worked with Fiberworks on that. 39-inch tall tires, BF good wrenches. We got some 17-inch Vossen wheels on there, really high-end wheel, but designed for off-road purposes. Rigid lights, all the way around this thing, so wherever we're at, in the middle of the forest, the middle of the desert, a couple of switches, we'll light up the whole area.
This would be equipped for the guy that is going to go off-road, the guy that is going to go take his mountain bikes off and go for a ride, maybe even sleep in the vehicle a couple nights. This thing is fully equipped to go anywhere. Being that this was going in a Toyota booth at SEMA, we decided let's just hand paint it. Painting a vehicle is an art. A lot can go wrong in a little amount of time. So to see these guys lay these stencils the way they did and paint it the way they did has been extraordinary.
I got in this business, 12 plus years ago before I even owned the shop by building a vehicle for SEMA. And in doing that, I learned, it's not just throwing a couple of, off-the-shelf parts on a truck and taking it to SEMA. It's about getting creative. And that's where I really found the passion for what I do now, was being able to create a vehicle digitally, create a vision and seeing it on paper. And then it was like, okay, now you got to go execute it. When you're doing something outside the box, again, you're not pulling stuff off the shelf. There's definitely been some hurdles, but we've been able to accomplish a lot. I think this project specifically represents team and what that means and what that looks like.
From the time we unload this thing out of the trailer, this thing is going to be a massive hit.